Welcome back to my channel, Mama's channel. Wala. It's my big day. By the way, nakaligo na pala ako. And ayun, nag-ayos na ako obviously. Actually, anong oras na? Alas 4 yung simula ng graduation and basta yun, it's my big day. And graduation day. Please na ako sa SGA! Bye! Bye! Tapos na ang delubyo ng buhay ko. So yun, bye SGA. Thank you, charot. Pero yun, magmamadali na ako, so mag-aayos lang ako. Ito yung magba-blower sa akin. Yun, nag-base na ako, primer, foundation, concealer na ako, contact lens from iShare OMG Grey. OMG Grey. So yan guys, let me ayos na. Hi guys, napalitan tayo ng loweries. Nag-eyeshadow na ako. Hi guys! Hi! Punta na kami ng school. Hindi ko na na-vlog kanina masyado kasi nagmamadali na. I like my makeup. Oh my god, my hair! Hindi ko yung painita.
Nanay, dapat sa akin yun. Yamin na yan.
Ayun yung toga ko guys. By the way, time check, it's 3:40. At ang call time ay 3. Guys, see you at school na lang.
Hindi pa to.
Yan mo 1,000. Mag-hi ka sa vlog. Mag-hi ka sa vlog. Bye SGA. Alis na kami. Aira! Hi guys, nandito na ako. Late nga pala ako dumating. Hindi na ako umabot sa procession. Pero yun, nandito na kami. Magsasalita yung, ano ba natin si Father Emilio? Director ba natin si Father? Hindi ko rin alam eh. Basta alis na ako dito. Yun yung mahalaga. Nasa likod sila papa. Hindi na ako umabot sa procession. Nakakainis. Guys. There will be no handshaking as you receive your awards. Ano? Pinractice pa natin. Ano ba yan? Pero yun guys, distribution na po ng award. Problemado na po kami. Kasi para sa ano pa. Ang labo ng camera. Hindi na daw. Ano na dadaanan? Ayan guys, ABM, tas yung 1, 2, 3, tas STEM 1, 2, 3. Napakatagal pa nito. STEM 2 pa kami.
Ba't nilalabas mo yung nilalabas mo?
Josh!
STEM 3 na yung ito.
Princess Destiny E. Achievement Awardee sa Lorenzo Ruiz Mission Encounter Silver, Teachers Festival Gift Silver, Co-Curricular Awardee Bronze, Academic Awardee Gold.
Yay! Flex! Oh my God! Ano ba to? Tigas? Okay, ano na? Batch response na guys. Oh my God! Walang iiyak. Oo.
14 years of learning, 14 years of growing, and 14 years of challenging and worthwhile experiences. We shouldn't be anxious because there's always a light at the end of the tunnel, where we will discover what our hearts truly desire, and work passionately, dream fearlessly, and love selflessly. A certified Christian achiever the values they have. Let's stand up for what is just, be the voice of the voiceless, and extend a helping hand to the least, the lost, and the last.
Tingnan natin kung sinong unang iiyak. Minela, huwag kang umiyak. Minela, huwag kang umiyak. Hindi ka sa room, mo. Ayan. Let's go! Gonna sing. I thought we were going strong. I thought we were holding on. I'll be a little teacher. You would make God a whole lot of history. Someone can live forever. All of the bright things that they make it's the truth out. I realize without you here, this is not the end. This is not the end.
Of class 2024
Of class 2024
of St. Gregory Academy, Indang Cavite,
of St. Gregory Academy, Indang Cavite,
do hereby solemnly declare my membership
literally solemnly declare our membership
to the St. Gregory Academy Alumni Association.
to the St. Gregory Academy Alumni Association.
Congratulations, class of 2024.
You may now take your seats.
Graduated by SGA, never coming back. Woo! Dami! Ito lang po ang ingay na tinatanggap ng nanay ko. By SGA.
Ba tayo? Napin natin ang ating friendship.
Tara bumaba, be. Wait, can you hold?